Hey signers, welcome to Learn How to Sign. Today's video is dedicated to all things weather. My husband, the director, editor, CEO of Learn How to Sign, is a weather nerd and an amateur storm chaser. So this video is a fun one for us. Well, enough about us. Let's get you learning how to sign weather signs. Here's a tip before we get started. When signing about weather, use your facial expression to change the intensity of the weather. For example, we have wind. And then we have gusts. Now, let's blow our way into these weather signs. Weather or weather. You have W hands coming down, flipping back and forth, or moving down side to side. Weather or weather.
Weather. Weather. Weather, weather.
Clouds. Clouds. You're making the shape of the fluffy clouds in the sky. Clouds.
Cloud. Clouds. Cloud. Clouds. Clouds, clouds.
Storm. Storm. It's the sign for clouds, but you also do it with storm.
Storm. Storm. Storm, storm.
Flood. Flood. You're doing the sign water rising. Flood.
Flood. Flood. Flood, flood.
Tornado. Tornado. You have two L hands going in opposite directions of each other, circling around to make the tornado. Tornado.
Tornado. Tornado. Tornado, tornado.
Hurricane. Hurricane. There are many reasons this is the sign for hurricane. For one, it's H hands. And two, this is the sign for tornado, and a hurricane is bigger. And also, my expert meteorologist husband told me that there are two flags for hurricane. Hurricane.
Hurricane. Hurricane. Hurricane, hurricane.
Lightning. Lightning. This is showing the lightning striking from the sky. Lightning.
Lightning. Lightning. Lightning, lightning.
Thunder. Thunder. You're doing the sign here and moving back and forth for the boom. Thunder.
Thunder. Thunder. Thunder, thunder.
Hail. Hail. And when you're doing this sign, go to show the hail is hitting down really hard. Hail.
Hail. Hail. Hail, hail.
Snow. Snow. This is showing the snow fluttering to the ground. But if it was a blizzard, you would do this. Snow.
Snow. Snow. Snow, snow.
Freeze or ice. This is showing the water freezing up. Freeze or ice.
Freeze. Freeze. Freeze, freeze.
Temperature. Temperature. Your non-dominant hand is the thermometer, and your dominant hand is moving up and down to show the temperature. Temperature.
Temperature.
Your weekly grocery bill adds up.
Temperature.
With the Verizon Visa card, spend
Temperature,
10% rewards you
temperature.
want. Start earning 4% in rewards when you shop at the grocery store. Get gas.
Cold. Cold. Now, when you do this sign, you must show that it's cold. Cold. Cool.
Cold. Cold. Cold, cold.
Cool. This represents the weather outside is cool. Cool.
Cool. Cool. Cool, cool.
Warm. Warm. It's like you're blowing warm air out of your mouth. Warm.
Warm. Warm. Warm, warm.
Hot. Hot. Your hand is twisting out from your mouth like it's something that's touched your mouth and it's too hot. Hot.
Hot. Hot. Hot, hot.
Dry. Dry. Your index finger is pulling across your chin. Dry.
Dry. Dry. Dry, dry.
Wet. Wet. Your 5 hands are pulling in towards O's, and you flip them upwards. Wet.
wet, 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 wet,
Rain, rain. You're showing the raindrops falling down. Rain.
rain, 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 rain,
Sunny, sunny. You're showing the sun shining down. Sunny.
sunny, 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 sunny,
Windy, windy. And when you do the sign, show a blowing mouth with it. Windy. Season,
windy, 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 windy,
season. You do an S hand going around a clock, representing time. Season.
season, 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 season,
Spring, spring. Think of flowers growing in the garden during the springtime. Spring.
spring, 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 spring,
Summer, summer. It's just like you're dripping sweat off your forehead during the summer. Summer.
summer, 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 summer,
Fall, fall. Think of your dominant hand as a leaf falling off of a tree. Fall.
fall, 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 autumn, 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 autumn,
Winter, winter. Now notice I'm not showing any facial expression with this because if I did, that would be the sign for cold. So, winter.
winter, 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 winter.
Now, let's put these weather signs into sentences. What's the weather going to be like tomorrow? Tomorrow, weather, what? This morning, it's
What is the weather going To. Be. Like. Tomorrow. What is the weather going to be like tomorrow?
Going to rain, but in the afternoon, it's going to be sunny. Today, morning, rain. But afternoon, sunny.
This. Morning. It is. Going. To. Rain. But. In. The. Afternoon. It is. Going. To. Be. Sunny. This morning it is going to rain, but in the afternoon it is going to be sunny.
Here in the spring, it's tornado season. Spring here, tornado season. It's been
Here. In. The. Spring. It's. Tornado. Season. Here in the spring it's tornado season.
It's so dry here, we need rain. Now, dry. Rain need.
It's. Dry. Here. We. Need. Rain. It's dry here, we need rain.